Order of Operations, section 2.5. I'm looking at page 176 and also 177 in your book. So I plan on doing 3 problems. So this will be video 1. There'll be 2 more videos after this. Order of operations can sometimes be tricky. What you need to do is make sure that you practice enough problems so that you feel confident when you're simplifying. Also, make sure that you know the rules, the order of operation rules, the order in which we simplify. So let's go over that. So the first thing is that you always want to simplify inside of your grouping symbols, which are parentheses, they could be brackets, absolute value. The next step is simplify your exponents. Step 3, multiply or divide from left to right. So whichever one is on the left, that's what we do first. So it's multiplication or division. Step 4, addition or subtraction from left to right. Very important. So another key important part of simplifying these problems correctly is to write out all your steps, write out all the work. That way you can always go back and find your mistake. So don't try to take shortcuts, don't try to be messy. Make sure that everything's clear and all the steps are written out so that it's easy to read. Okay, so step 1, we want to look at the grouping symbols. So I noticed that we have parentheses right here, and we also have parentheses here. The second set of parentheses, we just have a number. There's no operation, so there's really nothing to do in these second parentheses. We are going to subtract. So again, write out all your steps clearly. So equals 6. Make sure you recopy the problem correctly so that you don't change it and then make mistakes. So it'll be 6 parentheses, and then we're just doing 13 minus 15, just subtract, -2 squared. Now I will just recopy the rest of the problem. I do not want to do anything else except recopy it correctly. Okay, once my parentheses are done, my grouping symbols, we go to exponents. We have exponent here and also for the 2 squared, second one. So we are going to continue. So we have 6 times -2 squared means -2 times -2. That's a +4. 6 times 4. Times 8 divided by 2 squared, that's 4, plus 3 times -1. Okay, next step, multiply or divide left to right. So let's start working left to right. Okay, so I have multiplication on the left, so that's what we want to do first. So we have 6 times 4, so that's 24. Again, I am just going to recopy everything else and just keep working left to right. Okay, I have multiplication on the left again, so we're going to do 24 times 8, and then we're going to divide, and so on. So now 24 times 8 gives us 192. Divide that by 4 plus 3 times -1. Okay, next on the left we have division, and then we also have multiplication, and the last step is that you're going to add. Okay, we're going to do the addition last. So let's do 192 divided by 4. That comes out to 48 plus, and I can also multiply here at the same time, so that gives me a plus a -3. And then just combine. Final answer comes out to be 45.